For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. It's Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Pyramids 1. Pyramids equalizing in the last second, dying moments of the game, crucial moment of the game. In a game where we thought Kuti Sundowns will be going to Egypt next week. Benala goal, bayazi ukuthi bayikore ekhaya. But now, abaya ku second leg, bene confidence, bene hope. But even Sundowns, they have confidence, they have hope. This is one team. Onobeka yonke imali yakho, you can put your house on the block and say Sundowns will definitely score away because this is a team that hardly plays on 0-0. But namhlanje when junior, it was a game where you feel ukuthi Sundowns they should have just and yazi ukuthi kwenzeke njani, but they lost it in the end. Lapse of concentration 1-1. But when junior ubona njani umdlalo
Yeah, Shane my brother kunjani
I'm
mfethu?
good.
Yeah, ngibudisa uTham. Ngibudise Justice ne-team yonke ngale. Ngibudisa uNkululeko my brother. Ngibudise noLindo Pep, ngibudise Benedict Vilakazi. Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one, try to fix South African football. Yeah, for me man Shane, le game bengathi dlala ku neutral venue.
What do you mean, Junior? Neutral venue?
First half, if I look at the game balance, it didn't give. There was no sign with the Sundowns at home. I think due to reasons which I need to be honest, the coach the way it's starting 11 questionable. Only one player, meaning question. I don't have a problem with everyone, but Leonto Leo be the team be in balance. Why Saleh started the game? You've got Neo Maema Pili. He was the captain of Chen. His match fitness is on another level. Una Uchedi Nadam, so Uchedi I understand. I'm Kambukala NH and stuff. Unogumfag as the impact player, I understand. But just play no Mshishuko.
Yeah.
Unechedin, Unopidu Maema, you've got Mshish. And then Ukalanga this guy Salis. So obviously Atekako is over in balance. I mean this game, this coach Pyramids ibe smart ngokuthi allow Sundowns to start the ball kube ne build up at the back, because when you allow them to build up bakusaka mfethu bafuna the spaces behind you. Obviously bakusaka your front three my presser, they go to the middle, but minimize charge, and then back three or back four of you will press and then battle the space up behind, and then you get punished. Now the coach went one-on-one. Manga checker every time Sundowns got the ball. Let's say Magui goal kick. Sundowns. These guys they just backpedal, they drop. Sundowns the coach Mikel Cardoso, the philosophy changed today in today's games. For me, I think so many long ball. After a while, somehow I think uvelile na namhlanje ukuthi urane out of my idea. You understand? Udlala malong ball amaning trying to get Ronen Williams. You can't rely on Ronen Williams with a pass edit strikers zakho. Yena Matthews, also Renas, also Ribeiro. You can't. Namhlanje mangomcheka bengiqala ukubona iSundowns after a while to dlala ngama breaks. Ngikhuluma nga first half. This coach what he did just to buyela back. Upresse this back 3 Sundowns, back 4 can put it that way. Also midfield yalandela, midfield defenders they also push. The goalkeeper become an extra man, and then didn't allow Sundowns to midfield dominate, because once you allow Sundowns and also Allende namhlanje obvious because this guy Salis was there in the midfield. Nowhere to be seen though. Uchema Kavala closing Sundowns, this way pace Sundowns, they were nowhere to be seen. But now Sundowns what they did, they also pressed them. So it came Jobangisho, both teams, they did exactly the same. Because the midfield, both teams, they never show up in Kulmanga first half. And this team complaining about we're going to use inside left, overloading inside left. This guy, I think, I'm not too sure because mang check mini overall performance yakhe first half umndawine wonke ama 1v1.
What a wonderful player. I
Yeah,
mean, that guy.
man of the match for me.
Yeah.
I understand. Man of the match. I think we raise the Sandla in today's games. Ribeiro didn't have a good game, but he scored a beautiful goal. He came back being a balance. Ribeiro, you ask him to go in the right hand side, and he become a winger. Ribeiro udlala sort of number 10. It's more of a free role. Yabo udlala la kuma pockets but today bafuna dlale ka right amakhele full back ngapha ka right and bemtexa too much you allow must mark amela tholakale yafini yakho also when you attack you want him ukuthi atholakale yafini ama opponent is not going to be possible. Also the midfielders ngikhuluma ngumkwena and Alende in today's game mina ngikhala yazi mina if you're not going to show up I don't think your front three will my midfield didn't show up your front three will never function.
Do you feel like in midfield, the Sundowns, the most powerful midfield in South African football, do you think they didn't show up namhlanje?
Yeah, they didn't show up.
Was it a matter of nerves because
no, they used to play big games sometimes.
Yeah, they used to play big games, Junior, but you must remember the last time this team played a CAF Champions League final was 9 years ago.
Yeah.
Most of the players,
experienced players.
Yes. So playing the quarter final, playing the semi final is much different than playing a final, a CAF Champions League. Now, Pyramids, the first time they're playing a CAF Champions League, a final. But why do you think Mhlambe showing up? Was it a matter of them just not showing up, or was it a matter of a Pyramids coach having a solid plan for his Sundowns and
Shane, me now let's straightforward to the philosophy is slowly changing at Sundowns. The philosophy in Kulmangi identity, the way they are playing. Manga Cheka is semi-final. They never won convincing. We need to be straightforward and honest. But scoring on goal, which is the opposition, Yonel Akhli is scoring on goal. And the quarter final, questionable. They never dominated the game. The philosophy of the team slowly is taking another direction. So in today's game, I think the game plan, I think the plan, coach, Pyramids, running out of ideas in Ukaruso. So now the philosophy has to come. He was worried. The way Timmy Dalenga corner, you can tell what he's worried about himself. Ang daba namang abi Timmy Dali 0-0. So one penalties. The only those are not in Africa. Identity, my coach was in Northern Africa. You understand? So this team, Pyramids, well done to them for being tactically disciplined. Also giving Sundowns that headache. Because when Mamba Peg Sundowns, my petty polar, they do just simple. Mao check Umayela, they pick pedal, Umayela just sit. They're making it very difficult by us to Mkwena. We will link up between the defense and they go 1v1 in Nkulmangala center. And at the back, make sure 1v1. And then the coach again to show what he was not there on the game. Even assistant Wakega he took out the wrong player. Why did he take out Umetuse?
I was going there, Chuniguti. What's your opinion? What's your view on that sub? Because it was just 5 minutes before halftime. What do you think Coach Cardoso saw? Change.
Yeah.
Because I feel, in my own opinion, Uguti, Matthews was one of the players. I mean, I sabi in midfielder, your Pyramids. Even their defense he was taking a ball, straight go, but
West part to defend is too deep. You want him to come with Lali winger, it's half wing, but you want him to come and defend. Every time when he got the ball, utali move yake from here afini yake. Lama foul beka the ball from his half. Tired. So umuntu ekumele ngabe umdonsile nowhere to be seen. First, ngikhuluma nge 20, 45 minutes of first half yonke. These guys sales offering the team nothing. The game was in balance Sundowns because of him. I mean, he is good to be born noma ngabe analyst ngikhuluma ngama analyst wabo. He was supposed to eliminate this guy. It's simple. So eliminating wrong player yena uMatthews beku sacrifice. I think they've got ukuphendula.
Yeah.
Ngisasho going back. Boflambeck now coaching a player because he's the one who's the head coach who should anything happen uphuma kule cup. Why ngisho coach yena ulo Michel Cardoso?
Yeah.
Why are you eliminating that guy Matthews? Because he was a player with threat to this team. Answer is very simple. I think we chose somewhere from Flambeck. You need to play this Salis for Club World Cup. They are trying to sell this. Sometimes you get me now. Sometimes now. Sometimes if they lose games, they are themselves to be playing. i-starting 11 sakhe sometimes if angithi going back just ukubusela back ukuthi udlale ngabo Libusa udlale ngabo Suarez uthola ukuthi you lose vital games and then you bring ingcondo seyabuya ma you bring players that deserve to play and then the team become normal yabo the Sundowns esiyaziyo uMikel Cardoso nayo sometimes ugcina ukuyela back ukuthi even i-team yawina because they are strong, they've got strong players but nayo coaching yakhe uphinde uyi-question how he plays, even keep that this guy is so long. Why deserve ukudlala igame? Mina, I'm not too surprised this team to equalize, for them to equalize. Because even nama-sub wakhe, but now my player Sibuye Shane, mina ngizowapointa. Jaden Adams came as a sub. As an impact player, we second half we kumele ngabe change game. Not only him, Peter Shalulile as well. Now Neo mina will give. Uthe makangena, you could see Neo is trying. You understand? Now Neo. It's very difficult if noma ngabe mawungadlali regularly teamini and then bakufake kube nama expectations. Yes, bekadlala ku chain ku captain. Now for me I think a bit better. But these two players for me, uShalile, I think he ran out of ideas. They ran all over. Bebakufakela ukuthi just go and score, not to go and defend. Being a central forward there and defend, chase, we don't want that. Is a central forward to disturb the opponent. Just go there, make sure and space. Always you on the runs work like Umayela what he's doing. You understand? Just to stress the defense, man about goal. Do something, not go there and defend. And then for me, they dropped the game. And now sometimes started to defend deep in Kulmanga second half. They allow Baba invited this guy. These guys were not in the game. They couldn't even make now with 3 touches, 4 touches, these guys. But they keep on backpedaling, like 6 meters from a goalkeeper. And then these guys eventually got a goal. And well done to Pyramids for not giving up.
Yeah, but as Junior, on the other side, Usales, he didn't have a good game, namhlanje. But on the other side, you might look at his stats. Yes, sometimes his stats, I won't say they might confuse you, but his stats is inyan. Because Kasam he's got about 8 goals this season. He's got quite a lot of assists also this season. He's one of the most assisting player in the Betway Premiership. So Mhlambi, Coach Cardoso had that faith to maybe this might be one of those games where Usales produces magic. Remember against Chippa in the last game, he scored. He also assisted. I think he scored a brace. He also assisted. So I think maybe he was looking at that type of a silence. But as a coach, you never know who might come up. Quick game, player yakuguti ingakniga a 8 out of 10 or a drop it just a 1 out of 10. But I think just to defend Usales, maybe Coach Cardoso thought I might get La Salles I got against Chippa in this game. And if La Salles surely even the result would have been different, don't you think?
Yabona lento ama-states izoslimaza ilento ukuthi bathi Barnes, I think Barnes is playing for Stellenbosch currently. I think if I heard last season he was the most player, he was leading in terms of assists.
Yeah.
Barnes,
sure.
Lento ama-states. Sometimes we need to judge a player by watching the game. Overall performance individual player. Ngamehlo, not because this thing of stats. And Mautu Akora is score against who? He performs against who? If the coach says, yes, I'm going to start with Salis, against who? I just want to find out. Yeah. Against who? Because when you talk about Abu Makesi, I participate with Premiership, they lack quality. I mean, there are games, unfortunately, the standard of football, we had the conversation today in studio with you. There are teams that they are down there, bottom, compared to Premiership. But now check, they don't even have a number when they attack up front. What does and they're doing their best, but the quality is not there. So even if you try your level best, but the quality is not there. So if Premiership, Abu Saleh says sometimes not to say he's a bad player. But there are better players at Sundowns that you can start with and get the results. It's him keep balance. So they are sacrificing. In today's game, coach must take charge in electro. Because even the subcommittees, it's a vice versa for me. I need to be straightforward and honest for you. Sure. Well done to Pyramids, technical, very disciplined team, experienced players. I'm surprised it's a team the cup. Experienced players, sometimes every time they play first time, it looked like they are seasoned players. Because of the experience, you can't buy anyway. Also the coach, in Tankuta today, he didn't sit back after concede. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to get these people away. He wanted the away goal. And it looked like first half, must be honest. i-Sundowns are going to concede. Mayela, very dynamic player. Iyakwazi ukutime irun yayo out. Akusile strike skillful ngaleyo ndlela, but not a bad player. He's got power. Winner aerial balls. He reference every time kuma right positions. Uyakwazi ukubitch line. Ukwazi ukustretch defense. It red out. So I'm wondering nje if Pirates or Yoni Sundowns can get that guy. Because if I can say Chiefs, we need a surrounding play. You understand? This guy, I want to see him in front of a quality cream like Sundowns or Pirates. He can beat everyone. You understand? Let me be with everyone. He is going to be amongst the top scorers. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Junior, for your analysis. Former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder, Junior Kanye. We know him, the blonde man. Sounds Kumula Junior. Smart. But anyway, it's from the Sundowns. I'm fair tomorrow. Junior, why are you always denying your team?
Okay,
Thank you so much, my brother. And Loftus Stadium is from the Sundowns 1. Pyramids 1. We're looking forward to second leg at Cairo next week on Sunday. Next week we will know who are the kings of African football. Will it be Pyramids for the first time, or will it be Mamelodi Sundowns for the second time in their history? We will see next week after 9 o'clock. Thank you so much for watching Tiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Tiski TV.